Evening, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this channel. I want you to hear how Simba Arati has questioned why Kisii County has got 256 drivers against 82 vehicles that the county owns. He called a meeting with the drivers and even questioned why the drivers have a third-party insurance while the county has been issuing a comprehensive insurance. It has surprised the resident of Kisii that he has ordered all county vehicles to Kisii Stadium, where he said he wants to see them. I want you to hear what he said in that meeting with the drivers. But before I put for you that clip, if you're watching for the first time, take a second or two, touch the subscribe button, appear like a video, and also put the notification bell on so that we can grow together. This is the video.
Vehicles 82 against 256 drivers is a sickening message that I got. And I wanted to see those drivers, the 256 against the 82 vehicles. How else can we explain? Are some of drivers passengers in those vehicles? Or indeed they are drivers? It's something we must sort out. Of course, I can't blame the team which has been in office, but it's something I want an explanation. Because these people, 256, they draw salaries, which is meant for development in the county. This one section, I thought I'll get the whole vehicles. I want to give a direction that I want by next week, when all vehicles, be it they're giving essential services, I'll only need them for 1 hour. The 82 of them. All of them. You'll hear, I'll ask these people, wacha niulize, insurances that you guys have, is it a third party or is comprehensive? Weka mkono juu, third party. Wale wanaendesha magari ya third party. Sasa sikizeni. Mimi ndio gavana, hakuna mtu, hao wote ambao unataka kuogopa. Ogopa mimi. Is it third party or comprehensive? Third party. Information which I have, and I believe I have it in my house, it's that they have been procuring comprehensive. Sindio? Yeah. Comprehensive. Waziri wa fedha yuko hapa. Amekuwa akilipa pesa za comprehensive. But what you have been getting, it's a third party cover. Up to the level that the people, when you have a third party, you are sure yule driver yuko ndani if there is an accident. And that's why most of those vehicles in the garages, they are not repaired. Therefore, sick number one, 82 vehicles against 256 drivers. The sickness number two, it's that the comprehensive cover you guys are supposed to have in your vehicles, instead of getting it, umeambiwa nini, kwa sababu gani? Ama are you part of the problem? It's finance and the procurement. Waziri, what has been happening?
Your Excellency, the data we use is generated by
The data for vehicles or for the comprehensive?
for the comprehensive procurement requisition originated from
And how comes that now these people, mmesema ni third party mnaendesha magari? Yes. How are they the drivers? Hata kama wengine waendeshi kwa sababu They are more than 82. Hata kama tungekuwa wawili, tuseme mmoja anaendesha mchana, mwingine usiku, which is not the case. We could have had 164, but 256. Then the cover which is procured is comprehensive, lakini ile watu wamepata ni mtu lazima aende jela. I saw this here. I want to ask that we are going not to make jokes around. Hiyo pesa ingekuwa imetengeneza one of the hospital I saw at Kiobegi, a dispensary ambayo haina haijajengwa. Waziri, I need all the covers. Don't worry. I got photos from a number. When I insisted to have these meetings that I had information earlier. That mheshimiwa, what we have is this one. Je, huo ni ungwana? My brothers and... Are they ladies who are driving? Yes. My brothers and sisters, hiyo ni ungwana kweli? Because wewe ukigongwa ama ukufe hapo, you will not be compensated. Sasa ndio tumeanza kazi. Na watu lazima wapige nduru. We're not going to allow this nonsense to continue. Wizi lazima isimame. Lakini mtu ambaye amekula pesa ya insurance, hapana. Hatuwezi kubali. Allow me niwashukuru kwa wale ambao walinipa habari hii. Hata hizi gari, majority of these vehicles, they are not at work. I want new assignment to, even if it's a ward, all vehicles zikuje. Actually, I would want them at the stadium. Zote, wacha sikanyage hiyo nyasi juu. I'll ask the county traffic commander apeane nafasi hata kama hazina insurance zikuja, kama haziko